Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this session, first, thank you for the opportunity that give it to me to presentation my article titled Cultivating Religious Character Through Duha Prayer in Elementary School. Second, let me introduce myself. My name is Feptisia Putri Soleha Finiska. I'm from Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Introduction. Character education in Indonesia is now the main focus in the curriculum, especially after Law Number 20 of 2003, which emphasizes the importance of character formation and morality. Character as a mental and moral strength is very important to be instilled in students to create individual with good moral. Religious character education focus on the value of obedience to Allah and the practice of noble moral. Religious teaching activities in school have shaped student religious character. Culture, which includes all aspects of culture, including the habit of prayer, is an effective way to build religious character. However, with the influence to globalization and technology, student religious character tends to decline. In this day and age, students are easily exposed to content that is unbalanced or not in accordance with the character value explained in education. Therefore, it is important to conduct this research in providing solution to the phenomenon that occurs. The research focus on exploring ways to form student religious character. The purpose of the study is to describe the application of cultivating student religious character, factor that affect to smoothness and obstacles to the implementation of duha prayers, as well as teacher effort in overcoming obstacles in the implementation of cultivating religious character through duha prayer. Research method. Research method use descriptive qualitative at MI Muhammadiyah Gayam Sukoharjo. Subject include headmaster, curriculum waka, teachers and student. Object cultivating religious character through duha prayer. Next. Research method technique use observation, interview, and documentation. Validity test use triangulation search and triangulation technique. And data analysis use data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawn. Result and discussion. First, the application of religious character through the culture of duha prayer. Second, supporting factors and inhibiting factor in cultivating religious character through duha prayer. Third, teacher effort in overcoming inhibiting factor in cultivating religious character through duha prayer. The application of religious character through the culture of duha prayer. The culture of duha prayer at MI Muhammadiyah Gayam is carried out every day before learning activities. Culture it is implementation of Islamic religious education which aims to accustom students to worship with responsibility. The activity began with students preparing prayer equipment and performing absolution. and continue with morning applause and join prayers. Student performing Murajaah Surat Juz 30,000, sorry, 13 and dhikr before the duha prayer began. They become a daily routine that strengthened their attachment to religious technique. Duha prayer are led by male students who have reignite puberty with the method of chanting prayer readings which help lower grade student memories. Although the atmosphere of prayer is generally solemn, there are still some students who are less orderly. The teacher supervises and improves the prayer movements. With the cultivation of duha prayer, MI Muhammadiyah Gayam creates a conducive and environment for the spiritual development of students. Students not only learn religious theories but also practice them in daily life. Supporting factor and inhibiting factor in cultivating religious character through duha prayer. The implementation of the culture of duha prayer at MI Muhammadiyah Gayam is supported by adequate facilities and infrastructure, such as clean mosques and near school that make it easier for students to carry out worksheets smoothly. Cooperation between school and the community also play an important role, while adequate facilities create a comfortable environment for worship. Teacher commitment is very important in raising student awareness of duha prayer. Teacher play a role in habituation and supervision as well as instilling religious values. Parent support is also essential for student consistency by providing motivation and good examples. However, there are inhibiting factors such as students who are disorderly when going to the mosque, delay, and lack of construction. Especially in low grade, my students who often joke to overcome this, teacher need to provide straight, strict direction and supervision so that students stay focused during prayer. Teacher effort in overcoming inhibiting factor in cultivating religious character through duha prayer. Teacher effort to overcome obstaculesness with teacher providing warning notes and supervision, as well as heading warning appleness before duha prayer. In the obstacle of students who are not conducive to the implementation of duha prayer, the teacher can reprimand or correct the student so that they can be orderly in participating in the implementation of duha prayer. Consistent supervision and guide from teacher have students overcome challenge in duha prayer. Teacher not only supervise but also teach position, movement, and prayer readings as well as motivates students to carry out prayer assembly. Teachers play an important role in remedying students to remain sound and understand the meaning of the Duha prayer. By providing example and loving approach, teacher help students focus and be orderly in prayer, including reciting prayer and murojaah surah Juz 13 before prayer begins. Next, last, conclusion. The culture of Duha prayer at MI Muhammadiyah Gayam is a strategic step to instill religious character in students from a early age. This activity aims to feel familiarize sunnah worship while forming discipline and responsibility and spiritual awareness through morning uprightness, murajaah, and congratulation, congregatu, sorry, con, congregational prayers. Students gain real experience in carrying out religious value that are integrated with character education. Overall, the culture of Duha prayer shows the integration of worship in daily routines has a positive impact on the formation of student character. With a structured approach and continuous evaluation, this program is expected to produce a religious, discipline, and social responsible generation. This can be a reference to other schools in developing character education based in religious value. Thank you for your attention. I hope my article will benefit the reader less and more. I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.